For any source you use, there will be two types of citation: in-text, which appears in the body of your paper, and a references page citation, which has more complete info. If you think of your source as a location, the references page citation is the directions to the place, and an in-text citation is just the address. The reference tells you how to get there, so you need both. The references page citation includes the author, date, title, and other publication info. This template includes authors, date of publication, title of the web page, and a retrieved from URL. Here's the template with some information filled in: authors, date, title of web page, and the retrieved from URL. The in-text citation, when your source has an author, will include the author's name, a comma, and the year in parentheses. As mentioned earlier, web sources often have information missing, so what do you do then? If your source indicates no human author, use the web publisher instead. This example of a references page citation uses the web publisher first, then the date, title, then the retrieved from URL. The in-text citation, when you have no author, will include a web publisher, a comma, and the year, all in parentheses. Many web sources will not have publication dates. In these cases, use ND, the abbreviation for no date. Here's a references page citation example with no authors and no date. It begins with the web publisher, then ND, and then the retrieved from URL. Your in-text citation for a source with no author and no date will appear web publisher, comma, ND, all in parentheses. This video has reviewed in-text versus references page citations, citing web pages, citing with no author, and citing with no date in APA. See the links below for more information on APA citation.